Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable 7TV Emotes in OBS Studio. Firstly, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Under the Stream section, ensure you are linked to Twitch using the latest method. Confirm that the following add-ons are enabled: BTTV, Franker, FaceZ, and Twitch add-ons. Detach the checked box, optional for better visibility. Click on Chat Settings within the chat box and switch to Non-Mode Settings. If you're not on mode, this ensures you're in the correct menu. Navigate to the Franker FaceZ control center from the Chat Settings and scroll down to the Add-ons section. Locate 7TV and toggle it on to enable it. After enable it, return to your chat box in OBS to see them. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.